Hello students, this is a very famous question from the very basic topic which is called measurements, Vernier calipers. But for students it was a very tough question in the JEE 2016 advanced examination paper 2. I have received many requests for solution of this question because most of the students are trying to solve this question by the ready-made formula which they have learned or they have been informed by their teachers that basic formula regarding Vernier calipers. Today I am going to explain you the very fundamental of taking reading by Vernier calipers. So first I will teach you what is the fundamental behind this question, and then I will come back to the solution of this question. So first, here is the theory first. How do we take? So that's my theory part. How the reading of caliper is defined. Vernier caliper reading. How do you define caliper reading? Let's say this is a Vernier caliper. Let's say we have a Vernier caliper and it is given in this question, it is given, or rather it is mentioned that 10 Vernier scale divisions are equivalent to 9 male scale divisions. This information is given. We know this information that 10 Vernier scale divisions are equals to the 9 main scale division. It is also given that 1 main scale division represents 1 millimeter. That means 0.1 centimeter. That's what is the reading of caliper. So now students, just remember my statement and you will never find difficulty in such questions. We define the reading of Vernier scale as the separation between, you define the reading of Vernier scale as the separation between the 0 mark of main scale and the 0 mark of Vernier scale. So if I call it capital L, remember in all experiments this L is the reading of Vernier scale. That's the definition of reading by Vernier calipers. The reading of caliper is separation between 0 mark of the main scale and 0 mark of Vernier scale. So reading of caliper is nothing but separation. I can write here, it is the separation between 0 mark of both scales. That's a very simple definition, and if you follow this fundamental step, you will never need to learn any formula. I will show how this how this fundamental step is going to work here. In this present diagram, I have taken one example where the fourth division of my Vernier scale coincides with main scale. So my fourth Vernier scale division coincides with main scale. Well, from the upper scale we can find the reading up to this point. From the upper scale we can find the reading up to that mark where our Vernier scale coincides. You can find this value. I will denote it x1 now, and it's very easy to find out the value of x1 because x1 is on a main scale, and we can find the value of x1 and it is 1 up to here, 1.5, and then 1, 2, 3. So it is nothing but 1.8 centimeter on the main scale. That's x1. Now I can find the length of coinciding digit from the 0 of Vernier scale, and now let's say this length is x2. So this x2 is actually equals to length of 4 vernier scale division. X2 is actually equals to length of 4 vernier scale division, because the fourth division of vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale. So X2 is 4 vernier scale divisions, and from this given information, where 10 vernier scale division is given as 9 main scale division, you can find that 4 vernier scale division will be 9 over 10 times 4 main scale divisions by simple unitary method. So, and one main scale division is given. We know the value of one main scale division, which is 0.1 centimeter. So now this total will be 3.6 multiplied by 0.1 in unit centimeter, which I get 0.36 centimeter. Now, it is very simple mathematics, that the length L, which is the reading of vernier, this L is nothing but the reading. The reading of this vernier L is actually x1 minus x2. So x1, which is 1.8 centimeter, minus x2, which is 0.36 centimeter, and it will be now 1.44 centimeter. Our books or many teachers, they give a formula where they say L equals to, they say it is 1.4 centimeter plus 0.04 centimeter, and they call it main scale reading, and they define the second term as vernier scale reading. And they give a formula there, and they give a formula which is called vernier scale reading is this 0.04. They define this 0.04 as, fourth division of vernier scale, which is coinciding with main scale, and then least count. And they define least count in some other way, right? They define least count of the vernier scale then, and they say that least count is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, right? So 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, and 10 vernier scale divisions are 9 main scale divisions. So they do some algebra there, that 1 vernier scale division will be 9 over 10 main scale division. So they substitute 1 vernier scale division by 9 upon 10 main scale division. So it becomes 1 main scale division minus 9 upon 10 main scale divisions. That is, it is 1 MSD minus 9 by 10 MSD, which becomes 1 upon 10 MSD, 1 upon 10 MSD, and 1 MSD is 0.1 centimeter, so it becomes 0.1, and total becomes 0.01 centimeter. So this is how least count is defined, 0.01 centimeter, and when you multiply 0.01 here, you get 0.04, which they define vernier scale reading now, and when we add 0.04 to 1.4, you get same number 1.44. I would like to request or recommend you that for JEE exams or any other conceptual exam which is based on the fundamentals, you simply follow this rule. You have to follow this rule, that the reading of vernier caliper is nothing but separation between 0 mark of the main scale and the 0 mark of vernier scale. So if you can find that total length where the two scales coincides, just notice the point where the two scales coincide with each other, calculate that location or calculate the length up to that point from the 0 of main scale, and calculate the length up to that point from the 0 of a vernier scale by these simple processes, and then subtract x1 x2, you will get the reading. That's the rule of vernier caliper. Now I will follow the same rule. For the question which was asked in JEE Advanced 2016. The students who were trying to solve this question from this step by the given ready-made formula, they found this question very difficult. So let me solve this question now. Right. In the first caliper, notice that the seventh vernier division, you have to look into the diagram very carefully, that this is the seventh vernier scale division which coincides with fifth main scale division. It is 3.5 here. 3 is here, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. So you have 3.5 centimeter at this point. So if 0 of main scale will be somewhere to the left side, 0 of main will be somewhere to the left. And if it is 3.5, it means from the 0 of main scale, you are 3.5 centimeter ahead. And from the 0 of vernier scale, we are 7 divisions ahead. We are 7 divisions ahead now. And 7 vernier scale division. This length is nothing but 7 vernier scale division. And now it is given in this question for the caliper number 1. For C1 it is given that 10 vernier scale divisions correspond to 9 main scale division. 10 vernier scale divisions corresponds to 9 main scale division. So by that unitary method process, you will find that 7 vernier scale divisions will coincide to, if 10 vernier scale division, as per the information given in the question, if 10 vernier scale division coincides with 9 main scale division, then obviously 7 vernier scale divisions will be equivalent to, right? They are equivalent to 9 into 7, I will write here, over 10 main scale divisions. That's a simple unitary method mathematic process. And one main scale division is 0.1 centimeter. So it is 63 upon 10 into 0.1 centimeter, and this whole value will be, notice that this whole value will be 0.63 centimeter. Right. Now, as per the fundamental rule, the reading of vernier caliper is the separation between the two zeros. So that's the reading. I will call it R1, reading of 1. So this R1 will be now 3.5 centimeter on the main scale minus 0.63 centimeter on the vernier scale, and I get the answer as 2.87 centimeter for the first caliper. Now coming to the second caliper. Again, be careful now. This time, the 7th division on the vernier scale coincides with 3.6 mark on the main scale. The 7th of vernier scale coincides with 3.6 of main scale. So if 0 of main scale is somewhere to the left, so from 0 and up to the mark where vernier coincides, you are 3.6 centimeter ahead. This is total 3.6 centimeter. And from the 0 of vernier scale, we are 7 VSD ahead. This is 7 vernier scale division. But here is the biggest point now. These 7 vernier divisions for the caliper 2, these 7 vernier scale divisions are equivalent to, for that, here is the information of caliper 2, which says 10 equal divisions on the vernier scale correspond to 11 main scale. So if 10 vernier divisions correspond to 11 main scale division, then by unitary method, you can show that, I repeat, 10 vernier scale divisions correspond to 11 main scale divisions, then 7 Vernier scale divisions will be corresponding to 7.7 main scale divisions, which means 7.7 main scale divisions means 0.77 centimeter, because one main scale division is 0.1 centimeter. Now the reading of caliper 2 as per the fundamental rule, it is the separation from 0 of main scale to the 0 of Vernier scale. That is defined as the reading, so R2. So now it will be 3.6 centimeter minus 0.77 centimeter, and this comes as 2.83 centimeter, which means the correct option for this question is option B. So this was the complete theory of defining reading by the vernier caliper, and this is a very unique question, and this is unique because if you try to solve it by the formula which is given in most of the books, you will find incorrect answer. But if you attempt it by the fundamental process, you are always correct, and the chances of selection in JEE Advanced is always higher if you follow or if you try to solve the questions through fundamental steps. I hope it is clear to you now. Still any doubt, feel free to write the message in the comment box, or you can send me WhatsApp, or you can directly call to me. Till then, take care, stay at home. Bye bye.